Hey guys, BG Rides here. We're gonna go on a quick 5-minute ride. This is like wind therapy 101. That's a phrase Exxon told me.
To be right here with you and me. Shush my gibberish blathery. You can still hear me say, whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee. Well, in love, I'm a casualty. Once was in pain and agony, but the closer you got now, babe, the less the gravity. Turn a blasphemy, yeah, in a rhapsody. Yeah. Ain't no place that I'd rather be but to be right here with you and me. If you shut my gibberish blattery, you can still hear me say, whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee. Whoopee, 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 whoopee.
Alright guys, thanks for going with me. Feels like a little bit of wind therapy, you know? Just gotta get out and feel a little bit of the wind, just for a few minutes. Can't wait to go on some long rides again though. Anyway, thanks for coming with me. See you guys on the next ride.